my channel. Today we'll be doing some cleaning motivation for you guys, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So I hope this inspires you or gets you started on cleaning your house or any part of your house. So please don't forget to subscribe down below and leave me a comment, leave it a thumbs up, and let's get started. Hey guys, I'm going to start in my room, get this room cleaned up. Got stuff on the floor that is clean. I just threw it there. And these kids, let me see, I don't know if you guys can see this, but they're like little, I don't know what, but it's sparkling the carpet. Clean over here, make the bed. And this bed, we just got it for us. It's new, but my sister gave it to us. So, I mean, it's a pretty good bed. I wasn't going to throw it away. So I was like, heck yeah, give it to me. Because I needed a bed frame. And then it matches with all of our cabinets and drawers and stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up here and just get it all nice and clean and vacuumed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys clean along with me. guys, here's the final results. All vacuumed, all nice and clean. All right, we're gonna get started in the living room. This carpet, guys, I just got it Saturday. I went to Costco to get my stuff for food and stuff, and then I saw these and they were $69.99. I'll probably link I'll leave a little picture. But yeah, guys, it's 7 by 10, but it's huge. They were on sale, $50 off. And since we've been wanting one for like the past ever, I was like, I'm gonna take it. So I only paid 70 bucks for it, and it was 115 or 20. So I was like, that is awesome. And so I love it so much. It's so pretty. So if you guys are looking for a rug, check out Costco.
Does the beat take you over? You just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake?
All done. I'm in love with the carpet, or this rug, area rug. I'm in love with it. I'm thinking of moving this only one chair to this corner because I don't know, I just want to. I don't know. But then I'm gonna take this other one to my room and put it with the ottoman. It's right here. It's just there. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try and see how it looks, but let me know what you guys think. I don't know, honestly. I don't know. I have second thoughts, third thoughts. I don't know. I mean, it would look nice. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm not a designer. I'm not a professionist. I don't know. I mean, it looks nice there, but I mean, if you take away this one, I don't know. I feel like this would be lonely. This area. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely inside. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I hope that gave you some motivation to get started and get some cleaning done at your house. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!